Alright, so this is a soursop castor oil tree. Sun goes down a little bit. But right here, my little fruit tea with the leaves today. Making sweet potato and kale, and so that's why it's harvested.
Top of the morning, you know? Some breakfast today. Breakfast.
Mr. Appleton, we didn't even see when he arrived. He's over here chefing up some stuff. It looks like he's boiling some ackee in here, right? And he's already pressed some plantains. So it looks like he's got something going on here. I see he got some tomatoes, peppers. Oh, he got the breadfruit. And yeah, it looks like he's got his own little thing going on in here. He can tell that in the kitchen today nothing was cooked, I guess. And yeah. Yep. So this is a wonderful life to live. Surround yourself with people that care about you and look out for you and want to see your business grow. I think I'm in the mood for something right now. What's ripe? All right. So this is my little fruit stall I put together. I just drew and Raymond put together for me. This is a soursop right here. I'm gonna get some fruits in right now. I know I had a jelly this morning, but look at this. Look at the inside of this. Bang, look at that. All right, so this is a soursop right here. We have a few soursop trees around the property that we harvest these from, and then we fill our fruit stall with it. This has essential sugars for your body, and the first form of energy your body uses is glucose. So it's essential to get your fruits in throughout the day before you eat a cooked meal. So let's hit up the garden. So this is the soursop tree from which this fruit comes from. Look how juicy this is.
Terrific.
Yeah. The compounds in here targets abnormal cell growth. And you know abnormal cell growth, if you don't know, is cancerous cells. I made the tea with the leaves today. Now I'm eating the fruit from the tree. This garden right here is fairly new. We just planted out a bunch of stuff and we're going to transplant. Like I said, you guys will see our transplant later. This is more for a beautiful basil in the middle, basil mint right here. We have oregano right there. We have kale. This is a brassica family of plants, which we have cauliflower, we have cabbage, and we have broccoli. I've never grown these before, and it's my first time growing these, and these are all from the brassica family, meaning they've been hybridized and bred to grow each of these vegetables. This is the cauliflower right here. It's ready to harvest. We have about 4 or 5 cauliflowers ready to harvest. The cabbage is almost ready, and coming in last is the broccoli. I only see 1 broccoli head in there. So now from experience, I see that first comes cauliflower, then comes cabbage, then comes broccoli. So that's why it's very important to grow your own vegetables so you can see how they grow, what they look like, how to take care of them. When I say from the same family, you can see they all have the same stem, all of them. If you look at this, if you look at the cabbage, if you look at the cauliflower, all of them have the same exact stem. So they were hybridized together. Also the Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts have the same stem, same leaves, and the fruit actually grows off the stem. So I'm gonna grow that eventually too. Over there we have more sorrel. I grow the sorrel next to the okra because they have similar leaves, they grow tall together, and they grow well together now that I see it. And when they're younger, it's hard to tell the difference. So I was like, you know what, let me just grow them all intertwined. So this is our sorrel and okra bed. And over there we have peppers. We also grow our own peas. This is gungo peas. Look at that. So those will be ready by Christmas. Right there, these are nice, beautiful flowers. This is our castor oil trees, our little patch of them. These were super small, now they're huge. We have a papaya tree in the middle, dead center, surrounded by our castor oil tree. In Jamaica, those are called oil nuts. Over here now, we have our tomato bed, all right? Hello? So as we're filming the second part of this YouTube video, I got a phone call from my little brother. He actually went to go meet some other divers and everything went good, and he got some purple Irish sea moss. So later in the day when we go to the herb house, you guys will be able to witness the purple sea moss coming in. These are our Brandy wine tomatoes. We have cherry tomatoes right here. We have aroma tomatoes right there. So we have all those different varieties growing. Over here now, if you look, this patch is all sweet potato, a Jamaican sweet potato. It has an herb growing in the middle called duppy gun. And over here we have green amaranth, callaloo, going right there. Over here is our cucumbers growing. We've already harvested some. I'll harvest one right here for you guys. Nice fresh cucumber. This could go in a salad later, along with some kale and some lettuce. And then once our tomatoes are ripe, we'll be able to pick those. Like I said, this is fairly a new garden. So throughout this channel, I'll be showing you guys how to create your own, how to build your own, and how to have a beautiful garden like this and have harvest, perpetual harvest all the time. So we have our pepper bed right here. Look at this cauliflower right here. How fresh is that? Freshly harvested. It tastes so much different than if you buy this in the store. This is one of the most heavily sprayed vegetable on the market. They spray these so much, and this never got one spray on it, no chemicals, nothing like that. Remember, we feed our soil. The soil biology is what feeds the plant, and then the plant feeds us. So it's very, very important that you guys mix up a strong soil and that you put all different type of elements in there, from seashells, crab shells, kelp, compost, rock dust, charcoal, red dirt, bat guano, cow poop. All these things are essential because these are the natural things that fall back into the earth. And we got our kale, we'll harvest some of those. We'll harvest some basil mint to make some tea. He's harvesting some more peppers over there. Now we're gonna move on up some more. Separating the gardens in the middle is a beautiful soursop tree. It actually has small soursop coming up on it. Yeah, we harvested from one of them earlier. We have another nice fruits tree right here. This is a juneplum. Let's see if I can jump and get one for you guys. Oh! I got one, but I dropped my soursop. So, trade for trade. Jamaican juneplum. This is our papaya tree. Another one. You can see it's producing some papayas on top. And we have dog blood right here growing. We have our pepper bed, different varieties of peppers. Another sunflower tree right here. This is a key lime tree with key limes that have seeds in it. You know, most of these fruits overseas don't have seeds in it, and you should be eating fruits that have seeds because those are natural or more natural. There's still hybrids that have seeds, but make sure your fruits have seeds in them. That's number one. So you guys see the garden right now. The sun is out right now and bright. So we're gonna wait till later on tonight when the sun goes down a little bit and the sun's not so strong on the plants, because we want the plants to be able to stand up in the morning. We don't transplant them in a dead center of day and the plants get wilted. We want them to have the best chance, and we want to protect them because that's what's gonna produce the fruits for us and show us the fruits of our labor. So stay tuned to see more of what we're transplanting later on today, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell. We love y'all. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so this is our little harvest right here. You know, this is just from a garden we recently just started, and there's still plenty of things to harvest. This is our parsley, our scallion, our cauliflower, our sorrel, squash, the cucumber them.
Different variety of pepper.
You know, we got different varieties, the Scotch bonnet, the Carolina Reapers. Look at the tail on that. So, you know, this is great to be able to do this. How do you feel that we're able to produce this?
Good.
What'd you learn the most that's key into gardening?
So you have to take care of your plant. The soil most likely are key. The type soil that you plant in. then you get the product.
Yes, your soil is key, right? You have to have a good foundation for your seeds to grow in. So make sure you mix up a nice organic soil. We're gonna have videos on that later on our channel. So please continue to follow us. Like I said, like, share, comment, and make sure to ring that bell. All right? Look how beautiful is this. You know, wouldn't you guys want to produce this by yourself, you know, and have your own peppers and all this? We're gonna finish off this video by making some fried cauliflower wings for you guys. All right, guys, so continue to follow us and check us out, tune in. We love y'all.